Hi, Income Acceleration Mentor WendyY Bailey here, and today is a very special day. I received the author copy of my latest book, Big Wins, and I'm going to unbox it with you. Let's get into it. Look at this. Look at this. This book, number 4, is filled with 20 plus years of experience, of transformation, and real results for my clients and also for me. It's a kind of a love letter, if you will, to coaches who really want to create systems and sustainability, and it introduces what I call my big wins formula. Productivity plus profitability equals sustainability in your coaching business. Think of it this way. If my first book, Business Beyond Limits, inspired you to dream bigger about what's possible for your business, and a charge for that gave you the courage to ask for the compensation you deserve based on the value you provide to your clients, and Profitable Coaching Conversations gave you the language that you want to use when you are in conversation with your clients, then Big Wins kind of puts it all together. It's part productivity map, it's part profitability activation, and then it's also about how do you create sustainability. Like I said, it's kind of a love letter to my love letter to coaches and consultants, because I've been where you are. You know, you're constantly booked, you're constantly launching, you're constantly saying yes to everything. And of course, that means you're constantly exhausted. Well, that was my case. It's been a while ago, but I still remember it like it was yesterday. And I got really sick. And what I realized was that I could keep going that way. I could keep grinding, or I could change my world so that it served me better and I could operate smarter rather than harder. So I changed my lifestyle, I changed the way that I ate, I changed the way that I lived, and more importantly, I changed my mindset. I went from being a solopreneur in my mind to being a CEO of my business. And based on being a CEO, that meant a whole lot of things had to change. And a lot of that is in Big Wins, right? I even share a couple of personal stories to give you some insight about that as well. So I want to invite you to the virtual release party event. It's happening soon. And you can go to bigwinsbook.com. That's www.bigwinsbook.com. At the celebration, of course, we're going to celebrate the launch of the book, right? Celebrate the launch of the book. I'm also going to share some strategies from the book. And then I'm also going to give you some exclusive strategies that you won't find anywhere else. So go to www.bigwinsbook.com, and there's a link on that page for you to actually go and sign up for the virtual release party event as well. I call it the Big Experience, and you really want to be a part of that. Be sure to let me know in the comments when you place the order for your book, and I'm ready to send it to you. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video as well. And I'll see you there. Big Wins. How to create productivity, profitability, and sustainability in your coaching business. I'll see you soon.